Hello guys, welcome again in a new video. As you show in thumbnail, today's video is completely dedicated to unlock your smartphone's pin pattern and password lock. And if you're watching this video, then I'm sure my friend your phone has been locked due to forgotten pattern lock, pin lock and password lock. So don't worry at all, watch this video till the end. Only then you will be able to unlock your smartphone without any data load, without visiting any service center and without any need of computer application. And by this video you don't have to pay a single penny to unlock your smartphone, and you can unlock your smartphone by the sitting at home. Okay, you don't have to go anywhere. Okay, and if my previous video didn't work on your smartphone and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry at all. By the new method what I'm going to give you, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. Further in this video I will also give you the reason why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work. Okay, before I reveal this method, one more thing you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone's battery should not be charged less than 30%, otherwise whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before starting this method you should fully battery charge of your smartphone at least 30%, or you can also take help of your phone's charger at the time of using this unlocking method. One of the most important thing that I would also like to tell you, my friend, that this method updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with the help of today's video, then you can also take help of my upcoming videos or older videos, and for this you must subscribe to the channel. And if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make the next video for the further help you. Okay, first of all, whenever your phone is locked you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Only then you will be able to unlock your smartphone. Watch this video till the end. Only then you will be able to unlock your smartphone by fully learning this method, mentioning it and applying it to your locked smartphone. As you know, my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly, your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network should be closed. Now you can see here my phone's Wi-Fi network and telecommunication network is on. So firstly I will have to switch off my all phone's network. So simply you will have to slide your phone downside like this. Just a minute. Now you can see here there are lots of keys here, but you can see here there is an option of a airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. So simply you will have to activate this flight mode to close all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network. And when I have clicked on this option, you can see here my phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network is switched off now. Now your phone is ready to go with the unlocking method. It's also known as master unlocking method. But before going to the unlocking method, one more thing you will have to do with your smartphone, and the main thing is that your phone's all the background running applications should be closed. And generally it is not possible to close all the background running application when your phone is locked. So there are some secret codes which generated by the all brand service center to close the running application when your phone is locked, and these type of secret codes update within 2 or 3 days generally. So what I'm going to give you, the secret code is only valid for 2 or 3 days. So after 2 or 3 days these type of secret code updates. Okay, so how will you feed this secret code? You can see here there is an option of a, just a minute, emergency SOS or emergency call option. So simply you will have to click on this emergency SOS option, and when you will click on this emergency SOS option you will reach to a dialing pad like this. You can see here. Now here you will have to feed this special secret code to close the background running application, and today's recent secret code is star has 777, then star 00, then star 96452, then has. This is the secret recent secret code to close the background running application. After feeding this secret code you will have to call on this secret code at the first time, and at the first time when you will call on this secret code you will ask to call failed prompt. Simply you will have to ignore this pop-up with the OK button. Again you will have to call on this secret code second time and the third time. After call on this secret code 3 times, it means your phone's all the background running application are closed now. Now after this you will have to simply clear your call log like this. After clearing this call log, now I am going to give you a special USSD code to reach to the engineer's mode or master unlocking mode. Okay, now this USSD code is star has 899 then has. Now you can see here, after feeding this special USSD code star hash 899 and hash, the phone has been reached to a new page, and this page name is after sales page. You can see here. Now you can see here there are lots of options on this page, but you can see here at the 5th number there is an option of a software version. Okay, now after this, simply you will have to go with this option software version, and when you will click on this software version, you will reach to a new page. You can see here software version page. Now you will also get a lots of options on this page, but you can see here the second option is showing here Android version. Now after that you will have to click on this Android version, but if your phone is showing here Android version 12, or if your phone is showing here Android version 11, it means you will have to click on this option 11 time or 12 time. But here my phone is showing here Android version 13, it means I will have to click on this Android version option 13 time rapidly. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Now the first step has been done. After this, simply you will have to go with the back button, and when you will go with the back button, you will reach to a previous page, and you will also get another option of a manual test of the software version. You can see here. Now after that you will have to go with this manual test option, and you will reach to a new page, and this page name is engineers mode page. You can see here. Now you will also get a 3 type of option on this page. After this, you don't have to go with any option on this page. You will have to simply slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of other, and you will reach to the other option at the end of the slide. You can see here. Now you will also get a 5 type of option on this page. Now you will have to go with the option of a main board version, or it's also known as database version. Okay, but both the option have the same function but the different name, so don't worry about the name. After that, simply you will have to click on this main board version or database version 9 times rapidly like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now this step has been done. Now you can see here at the second number the option is showing here read write important log test option. Now after that you will have to click on this read write important log test option, and when you will click on this option you will ask to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm here. Simply you will have to cancel here at the first time. Again at the second time you will have to cancel again, and the third time you will have to cancel here. But at the fourth time when you will go with this read write important log test option, you will have to go with the OK option, and when you will go with the OK option, it means your phone's all the forgotten pin pattern and password locks are on reconstruction mode. Now your phone is ready to go with the new pin pattern and password lock, but very last step what I'm going to give you is most important. And if you have skipped any step in this video, it means your phone is not going to unlock, and you will have to watch this video again. Okay, so watch this video properly and follow the every step properly. Okay, now the very last step what I'm going to give you, you will have to simply slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of a device debugging option. Now you can see here device debugging option has been appeared on my phone display. You can see here with me. Now you can see here there is an option of a sensor self test and calibration option at the 6th number. You can see here. Now you will have to go with this sensor self test and calibration option, and when you will click on this option, you will reach to a new page. You can see here sensor self test and calibration option page has been appeared on my phone display, and there are also 3 type of option on this page. So simply you will have to start these operations. All the option is showing here operation not started. Simply you will have to start this operation by clicking on these option. Okay, so I am going to click on these option. You can see with me operation has been started, test has been started, the second option test has been started, and the third option test has been started and test failed. But you can see here a single test passed message has been appeared on my phone display. You can see here it means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything with my smartphone, because my smartphone has been completely unlocked without any data loss and without visiting any service center. So I will give you how my phone is unlocked or not. So you can see here there is an option of a home button at the bottom of the phone. So simply you will have to click on this home button to check whether your phone has been unlocked or not. So I'm going to click on this home button option. So you can see here, my friend, my phone has been completely unlocked without any data loss. Okay, because all the application which were in my smartphone when my phone was locked as it is as in my smartphone. It means this method really works. And if your smartphone unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. And if your smartphone could not unlock with the help of this video, then make a comment in my comment box. Our team will quick response on your comments. Thank you so much.